How's it going again to all you do-it-yourselfers? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your thermistor on a 1997 Ford Ranger. It's a V4 standard. So when my check engine light came on, it said purge valve. And when I got the part for the purge valve, it looked like this. So I went to my map here of my vehicle, and you can see the top one here is the thermistor. Right below it is the evaporation purge valve. So I was slightly confused as to why this says purge valve, but it's my thermistor, so I'm going to show you how to replace your thermistor. And first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your battery. And then behind your battery, right here, it is. It's connected with two hoses on either side. And you can see they plug in here and here. And then your computer gets plugged into here. Let's go ahead and pop the two hoses off. They come off pretty easily. The line is old. You might want to get some new line. I got some new line here. Looks like it is 7.9 millimeter fuel line hose. It's about $2 a foot, and I got it cut so I could have one on this side and a new line on the other side. So let's go ahead and disconnect the other side, which is slightly harder. Alright, you can see we have both lines disconnected, so it's just the computer part. Down here you can see the purge valve, which I will probably replace next. Let's just connect on either side and the computer part on the bottom of it. Now that we have this apart, we can look right here, and you will have to lift up on this little tab to release this part. Lift up, and it will slide right out. There's the computer part, the two hoses. And then you'll put your new part in and reconnect in reverse order. You can see we've got the first hose in. Just reconnect this second one. And that's how easy it is to put in your new thermistor. So thanks for watching. You got any questions, leave them below. And just remember, you could probably do it yourself.